Do you want to learn how to add timestamps to your videos on YouTube? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, so good to see you again. Please remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section, so let's get to it. So you might have noticed that a lot of people are now using timestamps in their videos. So timestamps help you create chapters in your video, so you are able to break your videos into chapters. Then your viewers are able to go exactly to the section that they're interested in learning. You're basically delivering value in an easy way. You're making it easy for your viewers to locate the value within the content you provide. So if there's something you're interested in learning how to do, then keep watching. Opened up one of my YouTube videos that I want to add a timestamp to. So the first thing I'll do is to click on edit video. So you go under the video, there is an edit video button, click on it, and YouTube will take you to your dashboard. Just wait for that to open. And once you are behind the scenes, once you can see the details of your video and you're in edit mode, then this is basically where you start adding the timestamps. And on your right hand side here, and you see how the time progresses here, 2 minutes 17 seconds. So 0 minutes, 0 seconds, 0 minute, 12 seconds, and you basically progress through the video. So basically you can start using this time stamps or this timings to create chapters for your video. So let's just say at 00. So we're going to create the timestamps within the description here. So click within our description. Let's just say 000. We have the introduction. So around 30 seconds our tutorial starts. Instead of calling tutorial, let me make it a bit more meaningful. So around 4 minutes 19 seconds, that's what we animate to the slides. So 4 minutes 19 seconds we animation of slides, yeah, and let's just do the ending. This is the final product. So if someone is interested in the final product, we can refer them to 7 minutes, let's say 27 minutes 27, and the ending will be, so just say 8 minutes. Yeah, let's just say 8 minutes, that's the end. So the introduction starts at 0, so 0 seconds, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. And at 30 seconds, that's where we started the creation of the timer slides. At around 4 minutes and 19 seconds, we have the animation of the slides. And you can see the final product at 7 minutes rather, 27 seconds. And at 8 minutes roughly, that's where we end it and I do my outro. So let's just see how that looks. So all you need to do in order to make this work is just go here at the top here and click on save. And once you've saved the video, you just need to click on this link to see. I'll just right click on it to see, open it on a new tab, and I'll see how it looks on YouTube. You can see is that if you scroll down, you can see that all the timing that we've put in manually, they've been automatically hyperlinked. So if you click on 30 seconds, you see that the video jumps to 30 seconds. And if you click on the final product, 7 minutes 27 seconds, you see the final product. And and if you click on the ending at 8 minutes, you see my outro. So it's really easy and really straightforward. All you need to do is to put the time in within your description and make sure that you save the changes, and you will see the changes in the live video. So I hope this was really helpful, and yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions, if you've tried it, if there's any other thing that you want to share and teach other people. Let me know, and yeah, I hope it was helpful. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. Before you go, why not check out the videos on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.